Let's go check out Good Friday or Black Friday deals at Home Depot. Let's go check it out. There's some good ones going on. A little better than the blue store though, for sure. Good deal. $14.97. 70 piece. That's a good deal. Whether or not they're good stuff, but it's a good deal. This is another good deal. 99 bucks. Impact and a drill. Charger, 2 batteries. Really good deal.
This is a brushed set, not brushless.
It's brushless, but it'll do for anybody that's not using it every day. Great deal. There's another good deal. Brushless. 2 batteries, a charger, an impact, and a drill. $129. That's a good deal if you're looking for a brushless. Difference between brushless and brushed. The brushed are cheaper, but the brushes wear, so you don't have to worry about the brushless motor wearing out your brushes. It's good for somebody that's using it every day. Good drill. So if you're in the market for a circular saw, it's a great saw. Have this saw. It cuts through 2-inch material, hardwood material, really easy. Comes with 2 batteries, a charger, a double charger, and you get 2 more batteries. 5 amp batteries in both sets, 36 volts altogether. $259. It's a good price. I've bought it cheaper, but it's not a bad price for nowadays. So this is a good buy. Great saw. Love mine. You can see a review I did on that saw. I'll link it in a post up in the corner. Don't waste your money. Don't waste your money on this type of stud finder. I'll put a link to a good stud finder in the description. It costs a lot, but it's the best stud finder out there right now, in my opinion. Don't waste your money on these. Milwaukee. Pretty good deal. 5-tool combo. $2.99. Here's the tools you get. Circular saw, sander, 2 batteries, one 3 amp battery, one 1.5 amp battery, charger, 2 drills, well, a drill and an impact, and a light. Pretty decent. That's a good deal. If you like Milwaukee stuff, it's a good deal. Milwaukee makes nice stuff. Bridget, here is a brush set, driver and impact, or drill and impact. Guess it comes with 2 amp hour batteries, case, and a charger. 99 bucks. The brushless version, same thing, just brushless. 139. Both good deals. If you're a Makita person, 18 volt, this subcompact set is a great set. These drills are drill in the driver, or drill driver. They're really light, comes with 2 batteries. They're only 1.5 amp hours. Bag and a charger. That's a great deal. I saw it earlier in the summer for that price. So $169 is a great deal. If you can combine that with a coupon that you might get from Home Depot, save 25 bucks. Save 25 bucks off of that. That's a good deal, man. I have that drill and impact, and I really like it. They're lightweight. It's compact. This head fits into tight areas. So here's the set out. This is the impact. The head's nice and small, so that it fits in the tight areas, compared to this head that's a lot bigger. A lot heavier too. You can drive stuff all day long with this, and it doesn't weigh nothing. Has different settings so that you can use a hard impact, or soft, or even softer. It's a great little kit. I really like it. Happy with it. Yeah, it has never let me down.